Hi, my name is Janica, product specialist here at EarthWay, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the 2050 SU. So I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and just tear this bad boy open. Upon opening the box, you are going to pull out your spreader itself. In addition to pulling out your spreader, you're also going to get a manual. And honestly, the manual isn't even really needed if you need it for assembly because it's super easy to set up. Now, the difference between this one and the other 2050s is this one has poly tires, not pneumatic. We also have a toe spreader one, and then we have the pneumatic tire one. So there is 3 versions in the 2050 series. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to assemble it real quick and easy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact sales@earthway.com. Thanks for watching.